Hello family, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to crochet a scrunchie. Hold your hook and yarn, let's start. Materials to use, we are going to use yarn and it is Seagull 100% acrylic. We are going to use 2 strands. Again we are going to use scissors. At this point I'm going to use 4.0 millimeter hook, and then you will need elastic. So let's start. To start, take your 2 strands of yarn and then take your elastic, insert your hook like this, and then yarn over, make a chain. After making a chain, we are going to do double crochets all the way round. We don't have exact number, you just do double crochet until you feel they are enough. So this is how you make a double crochet. This is the easiest way to make a scrunchie, so follow keenly. So make double crochets all the way round. Keep on making double crochets. Let's meet at the end. This is where I am so far. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to join this using a slip stitch. Go to the very first stitch, make a slip stitch like this. Now after making a slip stitch, you will chain 2. After chaining 2, go to the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. This is 1 and then this is 2. I hope I'm not too fast. You will yarn over and then go to the next stitch, make again 2 double crochets. This is 1, this is 2, and then go again to the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. So in row 2 you are going to make 2 double crochets in every stitch. So keep on making the 2 double crochets. Let's meet at the end. I'm at the end, and as you can see, ruffles have started forming. So we are going to end row 2 and go to row 3. We are going to end this using a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, you will chain 2 again. Chain 1, chain 2, and then you go to the next stitch, make 3 double crochets. This is 1, 2, and then 3, like that, and then go to the next stitch, make again 3 double crochets. This is 1, 2, and then 3. For row 3, we are going to make 3 double crochets in every stitch. Row 1 we did 1 double crochet, row 2 we did 2 double crochet in every stitch, and now we are at row 3. We are going to do 3 double crochets in every stitch. Now keep on working until we meet at the end. I'm at the end of row 3. Now I'm going to row 4. End this with a slip stitch and then chain 2. After chaining 2, go to the next stitch, this, insert your hook, make a double crochet like this. So for row 4 we are going to make 4 double crochet in every stitch. This is 1, 2, 3, and then 4, like this. Go to the next stitch, make 4 double crochets. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go to the next stitch, make 4 double crochets. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this is the pattern we are going to work on for row 4. Make 4 double crochets in every stitch. Let's meet at the end. I'm at the end of row 4, and this is how it looks like. You can wish to leave at this point, but I'm doing one more row. I'll end row 4 with a slip stitch like this, and then I'll change the color. For this row, it's extremely different. I just want to play along with colors, so I insert the different color like this, and then I chain 1, go to the next stitch, make a single crochet. This is how you make a single crochet. Let's cut off this yarn like this. So we are going to make single crochets all the way round. In every stitch, make a single crochet like this. I hope you can see. Make single crochets all the way around. Let's meet at the end. This is the end result. I want to thank you for staying through this tutorial. Consider subscribing because more are coming. Bye bye until the next video.